Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung dishwasher. It is having problem with the error message LE. After machine we can start, after within few minutes it's showing start to show LE error message. Now we have to check, I have to check what is the problem, because most probably our field technicians, everybody is know again the error message. It's showing error message with the Samsung dishwasher. LE mean it is water leakage somewhere. Because of that, realizing water sensor, at the same time only showing LE error. Anyway, we will check what is the exactly problem and we will go to the next step. Now you can see the problem. This is the issue with this Samsung dishwasher. It's showing LE. I start the machine. Within few minutes, so water also taking, and within few minutes is showing LE error. We will remove the machine, the sump assemble, the bottom of the machine, bottom cover, everything we have to check, especially inlet valve, inlet hose, also outlet, drain pump, drain hose, everything we have to check. Now we will go to the next step. First of all, we have to remove the power connection. After that only whatever we have to do, and we will remove the power connection first. Remove the top cover first. And we can remove like that top cover. And the side covers, both side covers we have to remove, and here all the screws we will remove now. Here we can remove. Pipe damage or something. How is water leaking? And look like here no any damage, but anyway here somewhere leaking water. Now we will check the back side also. Now you can see here water. You can see here water leaking. Here too much water inside, but we don't know. Still I couldn't find where is the exactly leak. Now we have to remove the sump. Also we will check the front side also. And front cover here, 2 screws. Now I already remove here, and we can check the sump assemble leaking or not. Also drain pump, but here not like any leakage. Now I remove all the side covers and bottom front panel, everything. Now we can check where is the leaking point. Actually anywhere leaking, somewhere leaking. Because of that leaking sensor, it's realizing at the same time showing LE error. Now I will on the machine again. I'm selecting yes 34. Now start the machine. 34 minutes. Now drain pump already start to work. Still pump is working continuously. Now we can check here. You can see here water leaking, water taken to the machine. Also we have to identify where is the leaking point. Now machine already pump start to work. You can hear the noise. Pump already start. Sorry, the wash motor. Now we can check here the downside. If we need leakage coming, we can identify from the down here. Now if it is any leakage, we can identify. This is the side. We will check the front side also. Also we can check if any leakage. Now if it is any leakage from the sump assemble, we can identify now, but no any leakage. We will check other side also. So we can check. Side. Now we have to check the back of the machine. Now I remove here cover. This one I can pull out a little bit, and also here you can see inside the leaking sensor is there. But now no any leakage. It should come leak if it is sump assemble or anywhere leaking. But now we have to check the drain line, drain hose and all. Now I pull out maximum drain hose. Now I am going to drain the water because no any other leakage anywhere. If it is leakage, now it should come, but no any leakage. While I'm checking, I couldn't find any leakage from the machine or sump assemble anywhere. Now finally I have to check the drain line, drain hose and all. Now what I'm going to do, I will cancel this option, and when I'm pressing 3 seconds, it will cancel. Now water will drain. Yes, this is the damage point. Because it is inside, it will come like that. All the water will go inside. Because of that, it's showing error code, LE error. Now we found the problem. Here is leaking. This one damage here. Now we can replace the hose, and after that our problem will get resolved, and we will replace the hose and we will check again. Now it will come here like that. The breaking point, it is inside, because of that it's very difficult. Now I took already out, that's why I identified the problem here. You can see here it is damaged pipe. Now I'm not going to repair this one. I will replace the hose and we will check. Now I'm going to remove the guide assemble. Yeah, guide assemble, this one, because I have to remove the clamp from here. I have to fix the new drain hose because it is leaking from the drain hose. Now I have to open the door. Also I will take it out, and I'm going to use the nose plier, and I have to remove this one, and like that it is easy. Now we can take it out here. Now we can take it out here like that. Now you can see it is very easy to remove the clamp, drain hose clamp. Also I'm using nose plier for that also. This is the drain hose, and I'm going to remove this clamp. Now it's okay. Now I can remove. Here this one, actually if it is damaged, it's chance to come damage again. Because of that I'm going to replace this one. Now I need this clamp. Now I'm going to use this drain hose. Here also one clamp. Now I have to check it is mounting is okay or not. Now I'm going to use this drain hose. The drain hose, no any damage, nothing. Now I will fix from here to there. Now it's okay, already fixed. Now I have to refix. Yeah, guide here, and it will come like that. Lock here. Here, this is the lock. We have to turn it clockwise. Now it's okay. Lock. This is for the drain hose. Here, this lock, it will come like that. It will come like that here. Also this one for the inlet, it will come like that. Now it's finished. Here is already lock came. Now I have to check again. Now 100% we know no any leakage. Now we can fix side cover and we remove panel covers, everything. After that we will fix and we will check again. Now machine is running continuously, no any issue. Now I will cancel this option again. I will check the drain line. Now I already cancelled the program. Now water already draining here. No any problem, no any leak. Our problem already got solved. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.